explain the method of variation of parameters to solve the differential equation. Consider a second order differential equation d square y by dx square plus a1 into dy by dx plus a2y is equals to phi of x. Now substitute d square y by dx square is equals to capital D square y and dy by dx is equals to dy. When you substitute it here, it becomes d square plus a1 into dy plus a2y is equals to phi of x. Take y common on the left hand side, so it becomes d square plus a1 into d plus a2 into y is equals to phi of x. The auxiliary equation is obtained by substituting d is equals to m. Now this will be m square plus a1 into m plus a2 equals 0. Since it is a quadratic equation, it will have two roots. So the complementary function will be yc equals c1 y1 plus c2 y2. Assume the general solution of the given equation by replacing c1 by capital A and c2 by capital B. Therefore, the general solution is y equals a y1 plus b y2, where capital A equals minus integral y2 into phi of x by w into dx plus k1 and capital B equals integral y1 into phi of x by w into dx plus k2. This k1 and k2 are called constant of integration. W is called Wronskian of y1 and y2. W equals y1 into y2 dash minus y1 dash into y2. Now evaluate both A and B, that is integrate A and B and integrate it and substitute in the equation to get the general solution of the given equation. Now same thing I will explain by using an example. Solve by the method of variation of parameters. Y double dash plus a square into y is equals to secant ax. See, y double dash means d square y plus a square y equals secant ax. So take y common, so it becomes d square plus a square into y equals secant ax. That is, right hand side will be taken as phi of x. Put d is equals to m to get the auxiliary equation, so that m square plus a square is equals to 0, m square equals minus a square, m equals plus or minus square root of minus a square. Square root of a square is a. Because of minus sign, we have an I. So nature of the roots is imaginary. Therefore, complementary function will be c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. Replace c1 by a and c2 by b. Therefore, y is equals to a cos ax plus b sin ax. Now you compare this with y equals a y1 plus b y2. So therefore y1 is cos ax and y2 is sin ax. Differentiate both y1 and y2 with respect to x. Cos ax derivative minus a sin ax and sin ax derivative a cos ax. A formula for Wronskian is y1 into y2 dash minus y1 dash into y2. y1 is cos ax, y2 dash is a cos ax. So therefore product will be a cos squared ax. y1 dash, that is minus a sin ax, y2 is sin ax, so it becomes minus a sin ax into sin ax, minus into minus plus a sin squared dx. Take a common, so it is cos square dx plus sin square dx, which is 1. Therefore w is a. Now we will find the uh, a, that is a equals minus integral y2 into phi of x by w into dx plus k1. y2 is sin ax, phi of x is secant x by a into dx plus k1. Now we can write the reciprocal of secant, that is 1 by cos ax. Now sin ax by cos ax will be tan ax. Tan ax integration will be log secant ax by a plus k1. A into a will be a square. So minus 1 by a square log secant ax plus k1. Now b will be integral y1 into phi of x by w into dx plus k2. y1 is cos x, phi of x is secant x by a dx plus k2. Now write the reciprocal of secant, which is 1 by cos ax. Cos ax gets cancelled. 1 dx plus k2. 1 dx integration is x. So therefore b is x by a plus k2. Now substitute both a and b in equation to get the general solution. That is a minus 1 by a square log secant ax plus k1 into cos ax, b x by a plus k2 into sin ax, k1 cos ax plus k2 sin ax, minus 1 by a square log secant ax into cos ax and x by a into sin ax. So I'll take another example, and that is y double dash plus 4y is equals to tan 2x. Y double dash means d square plus 4 into y equals tan 2x. Right hand side function is taken as phi of x. Now put d is equals to m, so it becomes m square plus 4 is equals to 0. M square is equals to minus 4. M is equals to plus or minus square root of minus 4. That is plus or minus 2i. I is because of the negative sign. Again the roots are imaginary. For complementary function will be c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Now replace c1 by a and c2 by b. Therefore, the general solution will be a cos 2x plus b sin 2x. Compare with y equals a y1 plus b y2. So y1 will be cos 2x, y2 will be sin 2x. Differentiate both y1 and y2 with respect to x. Cos 2x derivative minus 2 sin 2x. Sin 2x derivative 2 cos 2x. W is y1 into y2 dash minus y1 dash into y2. So y1, that is cos 2x, y2 dash 2 cos 2x. So it becomes 2 cos squared 2x minus y1 dash minus 2 sin 2x into sin 2x. So it becomes minus into minus plus 2 sin squared 2x. You take 2 common, so it will be cos squared 2x plus sin squared 2x, which is 1. Therefore w is equals to 2. A equals minus integral y2 into phi of x by w dx plus k1 minus integral of y2 is sin 2x, phi of x is tan 2x divided by 2 dx plus k1. So tan 2x can be written as sin 2x by cos 2x. Sin 2x into sin 2x, it will be sin squared 2x. So but this is sin squared 2x. Here we should have a 2. That is sin squared 2x sin squared 2x, which is nothing but 1 minus cos squared 2x. So that if we substitute it, 1 minus cos squared 2x by cos 2x. You can write this as 1 by cos 2x minus cos squared 2x by cos 2x. So here square will get cancelled. We'll get 1 by cos 2x reciprocal is secant 2x, and here cos 2x. Secant 2x integration is log secant 2x plus tan 2x divided by 2. Cos 2x integration sin 2x by 2 plus k1. So this, if you take 2 common, it becomes minus 1 by 4 log secant 2x plus tan 2x minus sin 2x plus k1. B is y1 into phi of x by w into dx plus k2. Y1 is cos 2x, phi of x is tan 2x, w is 2. Tan 2x can be written as sin 2x by cos 2x. Cos 2x gets cancelled, so we'll get a sin 2x. Sin 2x integration minus cos 2x by 2. So minus into minus will be plus. Sorry, it becomes minus 1 by minus cos 2x by 4 plus k2. Now substitute a and b in the equation 1 to get the general solution. That is a minus 1 by 4 log secant 2x plus tan 2x minus sin 2x plus k1 into cos 2x minus cos 2x by 4 plus k2 into sin 2x. So y is equals to k1 into cos 2x, k2 into sin 2x. Then this term into cos 2x and minus cos 2x by 4 into sin 2x. So I'll take another example. Using the method of variation of parameters, find the solution of d square y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus y is equals to e power x by x. So now, left hand side this becomes a d square. This is minus 2d plus 1 into y is equals to e power x by x. So right hand side is taken as phi of x. Put d is equals to m. So it becomes m square minus 2m plus 1 is equals to 0. The roots are 1 comma 1. Therefore complementary function will be c1 plus c2x into e power 1x, or you can multiply it, it becomes c1 e power x plus c2 x e power x. Assume the general solution as a e power x plus b x e power x. You compare with a y1 plus b y2. So therefore y1 will be e power x, y2 will be x e power x. Differentiate with respect to x. E power x derivative is e power x, y2 derivative x, e power x derivative e power x derivative is 1 into e power x. So W is y1 into y2 dash minus y1 dash into y2. y1 e power x, y2 dash x e power x plus e power x, y1 dash e power x, y2 x e power x. E power x into e power x, it becomes e power 2x. Again e power x into e power x, e power 2x. Here minus x e power 2x. These two terms will get cancelled. W will be e power 2x minus now a will be a equals minus integral y2 into phi of x by w into dx plus k1. So y2 is x e power x, w is e power 2x, this is e power x by x. E power x gets cancels with e power 2x, and x also gets cancelled, we'll get minus 1, 1 dx plus k1. So 1 dx integration will be x. So therefore this is A. Now B will be y1 into phi of x by w dx plus k2. y1 is e power x, w is e power 2x, e power x by x. E power x gets cancels with e power 2x. So therefore 1 by x dx plus k2. So what is 1 by x integration? Log x. Now substitute both a and b in the equation, that is in the general solution. Therefore y is equals to a minus x plus k1 into e power x, b, that is log x plus k2 into x e power x, k1 e power x, k2 x e power x, and this is minus x into e power x into log x. So this is about the uh, this is about the this is how to